Python supports a data type string, which can be defined something like a character sequence enclosed within a quotes. The quotes can be a single quotes, or it can be a double quotes, or it can be a triple quotes. That we will see over here. I am going to declare a string str equals, or maybe name equals Hariharan, which is something like a created with the single quote over here, the same way that you can create the name with double quotes over here, and we can also create the variable with triple quotes over here. All the three are same and defining a string variable Hariharan. For example, I can define n equals single quote, ns is a single quote over here, Hariharan, and nd double quotes over here, and nt which is an triple quote over here. All will be created like a same string value with the same content. We can define the string value in terms of by the help of quotes terminated, starting and terminated with the quotes. It can be a single quote, or it can be a double quote, or it can be a triple quoted. All will be considered like a string in case of a Python. That we can use print of name, which provides output of the variable over this window, and we can use something like assigning that maybe I am going to do address with a single quotation 8C something Senduran colony over here, and once it is done, maybe we can do the print of address. There is a spelling mistake. Yes, yeah, 8B Senduran colony, that it got printed over here. It basically depends upon the value it started with the quotation. It automatically assigns that particular variable as a string variable, and it got assigned to that. The content will be get assigned accordingly. In order to create a string variable in the Python, you can use three format. Either it can be a single quote at both end, and double quoted string or triple quoted string. All will be considered like a same single string accordingly.